We are in San Mateo. This is our Airbnb. We are going to find some coffee and some breakfast to eat.
मैप मध्ये ना
क्या चाहिए देखो? केबी चाहिए? This is the San Mateo's CalTrain station. We will take CalTrain to the city later today. I usually take coffee at the Peet's Coffee. I like their regular cappuccino and Havana cappuccino. We were thinking of having some Mexican food for the breakfast. In US, most of the restaurants use animal oil for frying, so be sure to confirm the oil before ordering.
पेट्रोल है $6.09।
अच्छा पेट्रोल सस्ता है यहाँ पे
इंडिया से महंगा
सस्ता ही है,
सब सस्ता है
लेकिन ये महंगा है अभी के रेट में। हम लोग
पेट्रोल इज चीपर देन डीजल हियर।
The easiest way to travel in San Francisco is to use a Clipper card. We'll go to the downtown San Francisco for the food. To get on the train, we tap Clipper card at the station. It is like a Delhi Metro card. You just need to tap on the boarding station and on the deboarding station. You need to always wait for the crossing signal at a junction before crossing. This is the iconic Salesforce Tower behind the clouds. We are going to get some Indian food in downtown area for the lunch. This is the Chaat corner in downtown SF. I've ordered a paneer masala combo. It comes with paneer masala, some rice, some dal, 2 naans and some sabji.
अरे ये कॉम्बो है अंबर में सब्जी $20 की आती है.
The Indian food in US does not taste like Indian food back home. Dals are without tadka, and you will only get slightly warm food. Nothing is served steamy hot. There is a chain of restaurants called Southern Spice. It is somewhat closer to the Indian food back home. We will try that some other day. We are going to the Union Square Public Plaza. You will find stores of all big brands, luxury brands, including Apple Store around the Union Square. These are the sister cities of San Francisco, which are basically tech hubs in their own country. You can see the Bangalore is 8,707 miles away, roughly 15,500 kilometers from San Francisco.